Hello and welcome to Webby Answers. So in this video you will be able to learn how you can install WordPress at your web hosting. So there are many companies and the sites who are offering the web hosting for the WordPress. Here is the Bluehost. You can scroll down and visit their packages. You can choose any of these. And the Namecheap is also offering the same services and the GoDaddy. You can choose any of these. Suppose you want to choose the Namecheap. Here you need to search for your domain and then click on the search and go to the hosting and click on the shared hosting. You can also purchase their plan of the shared hosting and click on and then proceed to the checkout and then install the WordPress at your Namecheap account. So I have account on the Bluehost, so I'm going to log in. So here's the dashboard of the Bluehost, which is offering different things. Like there is a home button and then there is a my sites button, the sites which we are creating, and the same is for the marketplace, and then goes to the email office and then domains and other stuff. So if you want to install the website in new site, then you need to go ahead to the my sites tab and click on create site. Here you can go to the limitless customizations of the WordPress and click on the get started and just put your website name. You can also put the site tagline and just click on next, and here you need to put or add your domain whichever you want to choose. So I'm just adding a subdirectory to the zippylearnings.com, and here I'm just giving the directory name. You don't need to do this, you only need to go ahead to the domain and proceed with that, but I'm just doing it for the testing purpose, so I'm just giving it a name. And then if you need WP forms, then you can leave it checked, and same for the others, and then click on next. So it says hold tight file will set up the your site. Just wait a few minutes. And now congratulations, WordPress installed successfully. So now we can access our site's dashboard from here. Now so the WordPress is installed on our web host. You can visit your website from the front end here. Here's the tagline and the site title, and then there is a default post of the WordPress present here. You can play with the different settings. So in this way, you will be able to install WordPress at your web host. You can also use the other hosts like Namecheap and the GoDaddy, and plenty of others are available. You can choose whichever suits best to you. Please make sure to choose the hosting shared plan if you're familiar with some of this. Otherwise, you can pre-build WordPress hosting and use the WordPress managed hosting, so they can just help you out in some of the sections. Otherwise, if you are building it on your own or you are hiring developer and you want to make changes easily, then you need to purchase the WordPress shared hosting plan. If you have any questions or queries, you can leave a comment to me. Please make sure to subscribe this channel. Thanks.